What's up guys, Eric from BSonic. Today we have here a 2021 Toyota Sienna and we're going to be installing the standalone Android box. Actually, it doesn't require much installation because all we have to do is plug in the USB and that's it. Unless of course you want to use the GPS functions on this, then you will have to install the GPS antenna to this vehicle. It's very easy. I'll show you how it's done. And we're going to also run through a demonstration of how this device works. So let's go ahead, get inside the vehicle and get started. Alright guys, we're at the vehicle now. I'm going to be showing you how to install the GPS connector and the module. So for this vehicle, it's already installed. So let me go ahead and show you how it was installed. So I'm going to take you under here where the fuse box is. Alright. So if you look at this fuse box right here, notice that the cover is gone because we installed this fuse tapper, which will come with the kit. And in place of the ACC ECU, we plug this fuse tab on here, and it also comes with a 5-amp fuse. And on top of that, you will need to ground the black wire, and the black wire was grounded to this bolt that is back here. It's I believe it's a 10mm bolt. It's difficult to point it, but it is behind here. You can't miss it. On top of that, we placed the GPS module behind this kick panel. And then the actual GPS antenna was routed from here behind this trim all the way up and then placed right here. There's a double-sided tape behind it, so you go ahead and mount that and then just place it right here where it has a clear view of the sky. Alright guys, so we're inside the vehicle. We installed the GPS connector, and go ahead and grab your standalone Android box. And then on one side, we have the USB plugged into the vehicle. On the other side, the USB Type-C side will plug into this box, just like that. Okay. You'll see some green light flash and give it about 15 seconds, 10-15 seconds for it to show up on the screen. All right, so once you see on the screen, this interface over here is just like an Android tablet's interface. You can use your touchscreen to go around different apps. And then before we start anywhere, you could go ahead and confirm that your GPS connection is working by seeing the green color on your GPS antenna. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use a hotspot from our phone. All right, now we're connected. And then once you're connected to your Wi-Fi, you could go ahead and use any apps you would like. We have some preloaded apps on here, but you can also download any apps you would like after you sign in to your Google Play account. Once you make it yours, you go ahead and log in, and then you may download more applications that you like. But we do have some application that's already preloaded on here, such as YouTube. It's got a trailer. You can exit out there, and if you have a Netflix account, you can go ahead and log into your Netflix account using the Netflix app as well. And once again, you will have to sign in your account to get full use of this, because of course without an account you won't be able to watch any movies. Okay, on top of this device does also support split screen such as this. You can also download other applications such as Waze so that you can use all your media and all your navigation, map, and all that other cool functions directly from the standalone Android box instead of using your CarPlay functions. And especially if you're an Android user, because some of these Toyota vehicles, they don't support Android Auto, so this will be a perfect upgrade to ensure that you could use your Android services and your apps in your Toyota vehicle. So for this product, from time to time, we do release a new firmware update. And to make sure your product is up to date with the firmware, you can go ahead and check by going to the version icon on the screen, and it'll tell you what version you're on. And go ahead and compare that date to the currently available firmware on our website at beatsonikusa.com. Alright guys, well that concludes our installation and demonstration of our standalone Android box. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or email us at info@beatsonikusa.com. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel as we're always coming out with new and cool gadgets for your vehicles. And on top of that, give us a like on this video so that it will help with the algorithm to make sure that we get as much views as we can. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.